Hello guys, today I'll show you a virtual assistant data entry work I just assigned for one of my client, and I am live working in this project, and I will show you the process how I am doing. This is very pretty simple work and you can earn if you don't have skill. Just you copy and paste. This is very simple work. I will show you right now. And see, I got a PDF, and this is not only a PDF, one PDF. I got around 20 PDF. Here we see there have multiple folder, and every folder has some PDF. Okay, so here I have two PDF, so I have to make every PDF as a blog post. So when I make a blog post, then I will post this my client website. So this is the work, and I will show you one I already done pretty much, and I have to do three more folder. So I'm working here, storage modern data protection campaign. All right, so last one you see, just I posted this one here. Sorry, okay. This one. So if you look here, so this PDF have 11 pages. Okay, and this is the title: 2018 Global State of Privileged Access Management, PAM. So I just made this PDF as a blog, and I just, here you see, already posted this blog post in the website, client website. So this is the work. I will show you how can you make a PDF as a blog. So if you look here, you see this is already a nice looking blog post I just made from this PDF. Here if you see, this is actually not organized, this only a PDF research paper. So I just organized this blog post and posted our website. This is actually not copyright, under copyright. Anyone can actually, this is published their website. This is IBM content. They actually don't have a copyright. So I will show where I am actually working. So this folder I am working now, storage modern data protection. So there are only a blog post I have to make. So if I go there, you see this is the uh, PDF here, and just zoom in. Okay, so yeah, I just already copied this. This is very pretty simple. You see, I just got a Word document. So I'm doing here for easy. I am not doing the website, like WordPress website. So here I am doing. Okay, so these steps already I copy. So second, very simple guys. If you have some computer knowledge, you can earn. Just here we see, copy and paste. Okay, enter, and here I see I have to copy everything from this PDF and make a nice looking blog post for my client. And you know guys, this is actually pretty good money I'm earning from this project, around $7 per hour. Okay, here you see, and per blog post taking sometimes, 1 hour or 30 minutes. um, so minimum 30 minutes per blog post. So I'm earning good money from this project. uh, okay, so you see, if you just copy like this and paste here, you see here how many bullet point actually appear. So what we'll do in this case, just undo. Okay, paste in the Google search bar. Okay, for the unformat, this text already in the format, you see this PDF format. So if you copy from here and paste the search bar, this will be unformat, and you select all, Control A and Control C, then you go your documents and just paste here. You see there one bullet point. Okay, enter. So in this case you have to do just copy here and paste in Google search bar, then copy and paste. Very nice and very easy. So this work I actually got from Upwork. Okay, so if you don't know Upwork, just go Google and search Upwork. This is a platform where freelancer can find work, and who need a freelancer worker, they can find worker. All right, so copy and paste, enter, and this is another. Okay, so we already done for this blue bullet point. Okay, we'll go introduction. So just copy the introductions from this PDF. Okay, this is, you see guys, this is a title, so we'll give this title 2 here. Copy and select and go here, you see the style, click on heading 2. Okay, make it blurred. And then just copy from here. Okay, so see, if you copy like this and paste here, this is how actually look. This is not actually nice. So what you have to do for the nice format, you just paste here. Okay, in this search bar and select all, copy, and you remove this. Okay, now you paste, you see this is a little bit nice. And if you select again and here, if you click there, so this paragraph will more nice, you see this is actually looking very nice. Okay, just enter. So we got another title, just copy. Okay, make it heading 2 and make it blurred. Okay, we got another title, so we'll give this title heading 3. So make it heading 3, and see this color actually not the color, so we'll give it black. Okay, for nice looking. So we got here some paragraph, so we have to copy all, right? Just copy like this and paste it here, and just go the page and make it more nicer. Okay, then again you have to repeat it this task many times. This is very simple actually. So see guys, online working actually not very hard if you understand the process, and if you get some client, you can start earning. This is not actually very critical work, this is very simple work. So for such work you need a good profile, or profile in Upwork or Fiverr, then you can get job. Okay, here just paste. Here we see, just I paste, and this writing actually not nice. I will remove this and paste here. Okay, copy from there and enter. So like this you can do. So these PDF actually have 16 page. If I do all the page, it will take 30 minutes or 45 minutes guys. So I don't want to make the video very long, I don't want to waste your time. I just show you the process, how can you do such work and how can you earn some money. So this is actually a virtual assistant work, and this type of work available in many platform like Upwork, People Per Hour or Fiverr. So if you want to earn some money, just develop your computer skill and you go such website and create your profile and do everything what need, then you can start bidding for the job and you can get the job and can earn some money. So guys, if you find anything helpful from my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.